Hi guys, good afternoon. This is Suman Mehta. I am once again here with a new video, and this is the second video on components of Gmail account. In this video, I will discuss some more important features and components of Gmail account. To know this all concept, let me take you to computer screen. Stay tuned. First of all, connect your PC or laptop to internet access and then open your Gmail account in any of the browser of your choice. Here I have opened Gmail account in Google Chrome. Before I proceed further to the next topic, I would like to tell you that in the previous video I have explained about compose, inbox, sent and draft. So before I proceed further, I would like to tell you that if you want to see the previous video in which I have explained compose, inbox, sent and draft, I will try my level best to put the link of that video in the description box. Now let's we proceed further. Today the first topic we are taking here as a start. This is one of the folder that contains all such mails which has been marked as a star email by the user. Let us see. When you click over it, you can see here all the emails are displayed which has been marked as a star by the user. Let me tell you how can you mark an email as a star email. So for that, go to the inbox, click over it. The inbox will be opened. Now choose any of the email and mark that email as a star email. Suppose I take one example. Suppose I take this email to be marked as a star email. Let me show you in zoom view. Suppose this email I want to mark as a star email. So move your mouse pointer to this star symbol and click one time. It will be marked as a star email. So this email will also be shown in that starred folder. Let me see there. See this star folder. Click over it. You can see that this email which I have recently marked as a star email has been shown in this folder. So this folder will display such all kinds of mail which has been marked as a star email by the user. Let's we proceed further. The next topic we have snoozed. This is one of the important feature in Gmail account that let you set up to view to attend any of the email as per your given date and time. Suppose any of the email has been sent to you, but that is not important right now. Right now you are involved with the another email, so that you can put that email to be viewed in the inbox in defined date and time. Let us see how can you do this. To snooze any of the email in your Gmail account, first of all you will have to go to the inbox folder, click in the inbox folder, and then you will see that all the emails are displayed here. You will move your mouse pointer at the right side of the inbox where all the mails are displayed. You can see these symbol, this clock type of symbol is the snooze symbol. Any of the email that you want to snooze, that you want to apply as snooze to be displayed further, to be displayed later on, you can set that date and time clicking over it. Let us see. Click this. You will see one of the option displayed. At the end of this option you will see pick date and time. Click over it, and soon you click over it, you will see date and time dialog box appears. Here you can set up the date and time. Suppose I take today's date only, so click the date of 15th May 2020. You can see here, and then after you put time here. Suppose I put time here 6 then 11 am, 6 and 11 am. I have taken time for 1 minute, and let us see how will it perform. So you will see that the email is temporarily removed from the inbox. and it has been stored here in this snoozed folder. Let us see, click over it, you will see that email displayed here. Now the time reached, so that email has been removed from here. It has been again sent back to the inbox. You can see here that in the inbox that snoozed email is displayed at the top of all the emails. So this way user can set up the importance and set up the priority of the email to be viewed in the inbox at the top of all the emails according to their prescribed, according to their specified date and time. We have clarified two options, one is starred and the another one is snoozed. Let's we proceed further. Sent and draft we have already explained. After that we have unwanted. This unwanted is not associated with the Gmail account. This option appears when you use any third party application. So I am using third party application, so this option is displayed here. After this you click this more option. In this more option you will find some more options, some more features of Gmail account. Here we have important. This folder contains all the emails which are important. Let us see how the important emails are categorized by the Gmail automatically, or how can user set up the important email. Suppose you send an email frequently to someone, that email is considered as an important email. Or when you set up any of the email as a starred, or you set up any of the email as snoozed, that all emails are also displayed in this important folder. Let us see, click over it, you will see that all emails which are important, which are considered by the Gmail as important email, are displayed in this folder, or the emails which you have starred or you have snoozed will be displayed here. So finally I mean to tell you that this important folder contains all such emails which are considered as an important email by the default setting of Gmail, or by the user marked as a star email, or user specifies the email as snoozed email. Let us move forward. After the important we have the another feature. That feature is chats. This feature in Gmail account allow you to chat to your friend, allow you to talk with your friend on the basis of text at the real time. Click over it, you will see that there is no chat message is displayed here in the chat box. So to start a chat, first of all you will have to invite your friends. You can see here it is written chat. Suppose if you want to add your chat's friend, click here plus sign, and then after click any of the, then after type any of the email to whom you want to chat. Suppose I take this email, click this email. After that the chat will be opened this way. Here you can invite your friend, he has been already invited. So till he respond, till he accept my invitation, we will not start, we cannot chat with them. Let's we have another example. Click this plus sign, and then after type any of the email. Suppose I take this one. You can see here just below there is a option send invite. Click this send invite. The invitation has been sent to this person, and when he will accept the invitation, when he will agree with the invitation, we can start chatting. So finally I would like to overview the topics we have covered today. We have covered a start, snoozed, and then after important and chat. These all four features of Gmail account we have explained today. Rest of this we will discuss later on. I hope this video is found to be helpful. If yes, please show me your support by giving this video a big thumbs up. Do not forget to share it to your friends and let them be benefited of it. If you did not subscribe to this channel, please do subscribe to this channel. Hit the bell icon, select all option to get the latest notifications of my new videos. My name is Suman Mehta. I thank you so much for watching.